You can use the verb to be when asking yes or no questions. The verb to be is used as the starter of the question. Am I? Examples. Am I a doctor? Am I a lawyer? Am I a teacher? Am I a carpenter? Am I a plumber? Am I a nurse? Am I a singer? Am I a dancer? Am I a driver? Am I sleepy? Am I hungry? Am I tired? Am I sad? Am I happy? Am I excited? Am I 21 years old? Am I alert? Am I thankful? Am I a dentist? Are we? Examples. Are we dentists? Are we doctors? Are we lawyers? Are we teachers? Are we carpenters? Are we plumbers? Are we nurses? Are we singers? Are we dancers? Are we drivers? Are you? Singular. Examples. Are you a dentist? Are you a doctor? Are you a lawyer? Are you a teacher? Are you a carpenter? Are you a plumber? Are you a nurse? Are you a singer? Are you a dancer? Are you a driver? Are you plural? Examples. Are you dentists? Are you doctors? Are you lawyers? Are you teachers? Are you carpenters? Are you plumbers? Are you nurses? Are you singers? Are you dancers? Are you drivers? Is he? Examples. Is he a dentist? Is he a doctor? Is he a lawyer? Is he a teacher? Is he a carpenter? Is he a plumber? Is he a nurse? Is he a singer? Is he a dancer? Is he a driver? Is she? Examples. Is she a dentist? Is she a doctor? Is she a lawyer? Is she a teacher? Is she a politician? Is she a nurse? Is she a singer? Is she a dancer? Is she a musician? Is it? Examples. Is it a dog? Is it a banana? Is it a cat? Is it a mango? Is it a yellow bag? Is it a blue hat? Is it a green umbrella? Is it a purple flower? Is it a table? Is it a cup? Are they? Examples. Are they dentists? Are they doctors? Are they lawyers? Are they teachers? Are they carpenters? Are they plumbers? Are they nurses? Are they singers? Are they dancers? Are they drivers?